Today I'm going to share with you one dark side of pig farming and what some pig farmers are keeping away from you. The truth, and that is lying about the age of a pig. Yes, I'm sure you've ever moved to a pig farm, you ask about the age, and the person tells you this is just 5 months old. But from the look of things, your mind is telling you this pig is 10 or 12 months already. Yes, sometimes your doubts are always the correct ones. And this often happens because farmers try to do this to feel that they are doing well or they are even expert in what they are doing instead of actually reaching out for help and getting the right solution for their struggles. So do not let anybody pressure you into thinking you are doing things wrong on your farm. The growth of a pig depends on what you do the very day it is born. So from day one, I always encourage you to start right with your pigs. Remember, you can't just have your pig for months and then you jump in with feed, expecting it to grow overnight. It doesn't happen. You have to be very consistent with your feeding, know the right ingredient and at what stage to give those particular ingredients, and the basic care, the medications you need to use, the clean water, the comfortable housing the pigs will find themselves, and trying to minimize death in the farm. These things are all that you need to do from the beginning, and your pigs will do well for you. So don't let social media and also pictures people share with you put you under pressure. Most of these lies, after it is told, the farmers don't feel happy once you leave or once they lose your attention, because now they are going to face the reality. I told you the pig is 5 months, but I know it is 10 months. So who is losing? So most of them, they are not happy after they have just lied to you that way. So don't go about beating yourself, trying to do things, even if you can't. The only thing is you spend too much on feed and unnecessary things that will end up eating into your profit. You might get the pig to the right weight, but if you deduct the cost from the revenue you make from that particular pig, you have nothing left. And what will be the essence of you being in this business if at the end of it all, you either get your money back or you lose your money? Know when to give a particular feed and in what proportion, how much feed to give in terms of kilo or pounds. Just know this and supply clean water to your pigs. Do not let social media and online pictures make you go crazy that you're doing things wrong. That's why usually I run experiments so that you can follow. And I tell you, these pigs at this stage, they are 8 weeks, they are 10 weeks. That's how I usually do it on this channel. So you get to know the actual thing that is happening. I experiment with you just so you can feel comfortable when you're doing this pig farming business. Note that from the beginning, you can't get everything right. I made a lot of mistakes and I still make some of them till now. So I also have a mini online pig farming course where you get access to all the practical things that I do on my farm in a well structured and organized form. So you don't guess what you're doing. And in it, you also have an access to an editable record keeping book where you'll be able to put in your data right to suit your farm. And that will help you know the performance of your farm at every stage in your production. So if you want to check out and learn more about pig farming and then learn things without guessing, these things are all taken care of if you go according to this step-by-step pig farming course I have created for you to help you to do better on your farm. So just check out the link in the description and I will see you in the class.